Hi, today I'm going to show you how to monitor the lag of your queries. In the Jobs Analysis screen, click on this button, Show Query Lag in Minutes. It will show you the total accumulated lag per project and per day. You can see here the project positive pusher, which has had several hours of lag over the last few days. So how is it calculated? When you start a query, you create a job which has a creation timestamp and a start timestamp. Most of the time, these two timestamps are separated by less than a second, but sometimes they can be several minutes apart. As a result, your job will finish later than usual. On the scale of a production pipeline, an accumulated delay of several hours usually triggers a general panic. Why does it lag? The short answer is that there are fewer slots available than usual, queries are slower, and subsequent stacks await availability. And why does this happen? A slot is a unit of compute, e.g., one query will use 100 slots for 1 minute and another query will use 200 slots for 1 hour. In on-demand mode, BigQuery guarantees 2,000 slots, but in reality, it exceeds 2,000 slots to reach 5,000 or even 10,000 for a few seconds. Generally speaking, you get used to this burst, and when BigQuery is very busy in its zone, your capacity per project stalls at 2,000 slots, causing your project to slow down. So, how do you set it? There are several steps. You start by identifying the projects that lag. So the screen you see allows you to do this very quickly. For the presentation, we're going to focus on the project positive pusher, and then there's the second step, which is to create new projects. So it's very simple. Instead of having one project with 2,000 guaranteed slots, you're going to create 5, all of which will have 2,000 guaranteed slots, for a total of 10,000 guaranteed slots. Once you've done that, you've got the third step, which is to distribute the queries over these projects. So you send a query to the first project, the second query to the second, etc. You do this for all your projects, and you make a loop, so instead of having 100% of queries on a single project, you'll have 20% of queries on each project. Once you've reached this level, you shouldn't have any more lag appearing on your projects. Obviously, it depends on the number of projects you need, but you shouldn't see any more problems, as you can see from the graph. So, the fourth step, and then what do? If you've connected Slack or Teams to BigQuery, you'll get an alert as soon as there's lag within an hour of when there's lag. So that means instead of maybe having no information that projects are very slow, or whether it's at the end of the day, or whether it's at the end of the week, you're going to get information right away and you can take action immediately. Normally, if you put this kind of thing in place, lag should be a thing of the past for you.